Now, today we are discuss about the Hall effect concept. Hall effect concept. Draw the diagram of Hall effect. This is the diagram for Hall effect. Now, what is meant by Hall effect? The Hall effect is Hall effect is the production of a voltage difference that is the Hall voltage. Hall voltage across a current carrying across a current across a current carrying conductor that is the in presence of magnetic field. Magnetic field that is perpendicular to both current and the magnetic field. The Hall effect means the Hall effect is the production of Hall voltage, that is the Hall voltage across the current carrying conductor in the presence of magnetic field perpendicular to both the current and magnetic field. Next, this established potential is Hall voltage. The electric field is known as Hall electric field. As shown in the figure, consider a semiconductor slab thickness D. Semiconductor slab thickness D and width W. W is the width. This is the D is the slab thickness. Semiconductor width of the slab and current I is flowing through the x direction. Current I is flow through the x direction. Current I is flow through the x direction. It is subjected to a magnetic field strength P. B is the magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength along the y direction. Current is passing through the x direction. Y is passing through the y, that is the magnetic field is passing through the y direction. As a result, the electrons are accumulated at the bottom surfaces of the semiconductor due to the magnetic lines of force in the y direction, and the negative charges build up at the bottom surfaces and corresponding positive charges on upper surface of the semiconductor. The potential difference and electric field is established across the surface. This developed electric field along the z direction exert as a force on the electron to prevent further accumulation at the bottom surface. At steady state, that is the equilibrium state, at steady state, that is the that is equilibrium. Equilibrium state, that is the equilibrium state. Both the force balance each other. The electrons move can freely to constitute a electric current. Here EH be the Hall electric field. EH be the Hall electric field on a semiconductor. And the force of the electron due to the EH. The force of electron due to all electric field EH is given by that equal to small e EH, small e EH. Here E is the charge of electron, charge of electron. The force of electric field, the force of electron due to magnetic field, that is P is B E V. Here V is the velocity of electron or electron velocity. Next, at steady state. That means equilibrium state. At the equilibrium state, the free electron due to the electric field EH is the equal to magnetic field of the electrons BeV. Here E cancel. EH equal to BV. Actually, VH is Hall voltage. VH is the Hall voltage, that equal to EH equal to VH by D. From the above equation, EH is BV, that equal to VH by D. Therefore BV D equal to VH. BVD equal to VH. Here small n is the concentration of electrons in semiconductors. Small n is the concentration of electrons in semiconductors according to current density. current density. Current density, the formula for current density capital J equal to NEV. NEV. Here V is J by NE. J by NEV. Next, the Hall voltage VH equal to B, substituting the V value. V value is capital J, that equal to D divided by, next one is NE. NE. Here actually current density J equal to I by A. J equal to I by A. That equal to, substituting the here, A is the area of cross section of semiconductor. Area of cross section of semiconductor. That means, therefore A equal to dW, that is length into width. Area of cross section of the slab equal to D into W. D is the slab thickness of the semiconductor, W is the width of the semiconductor. Substituting the A value in this equation, that equal to VH, that equal to J equal to I by dW. I by dW. Substituting the J value in this equation, therefore VH equal to B. Next, D divided by NE into J value means I by dW. Here DD cancel, that equal to VH equal to VI divided by NEW. NEW. Therefore, Hall coefficient, that is denoted RH is given by RH equal to 1 by small ne. Here the relation between Hall voltage and Hall coefficient, that is relation between Hall coefficient, Hall voltage and Hall coefficient, that equal to VH equal to B I R H by W. Therefore, RH equal to VH W divided by VI. This is the equation for Hall coefficient. Next, the conductivity. The conductivity in a semiconductor. The conductivity in a semiconductor. semiconductor due to electron is given by that equal to sigma equal to small n small e mu is the mobility of charge carriers. Here mu equal to sigma by ne, that equal to 1 by ne means RH sigma. Therefore mu equal to RH sigma. The above expression represents the Hall voltage, Hall coefficients and conductivity in terms of Hall coefficients. This is the Hall effect concept. Once again, I will explain you Hall effect. What is meant by Hall effect? The Hall effect is a production of Hall voltage. Production of voltage difference across a current carrying conductor, that is in the presence of magnetic field, is perpendicular to magnetic field perpendicular to produce the Hall voltage. In this diagram, D is the slab thickness of the semiconductor, W is the width of the slab. Here B is the magnetic field strength, this is forming the y direction, and current is carrying in x direction. Magnetic field is forming the y direction. Next, consider a semiconductor slab. Its magnetic. From this diagram, here D is the thickness of the semiconductor slab, W is the width of the slab. When current I is flow through along the x direction, and it is subjected to a magnetic field of strength B along the y direction. The charge carriers inside the semiconductor to experience a force due to the applied magnetic field. As a result, electrons will accumulate at the bottom of the surface of the semiconducting slab of the magnetic force along the y direction. The negative charge build up bottom surface and the corresponding positive charges on upper surface of the semiconductor slab. Here the potential difference and electric field is established across the surface. This development electric field along the z direction exert a force on the electron to further accumulation of bottom of the surface. At the steady state or equilibrium state, both the forces are balanced and each other. The electrons can move freely to constitute an electric current. Suppose let EH be the all electric field on a semiconductor. The force of electron due to all electric field, that is EH equal to small e EH. Here small e is the charge of electron. Next again the force of electron due to a magnetic field, that is B equal to BE V. Here B is the magnetic field, E is the charge of electron, V is the velocity of electron. At steady state, that is the equilibrium state, both forces are equal, that is equal to E small e capital EH equal to capital B small e V. E cancel, that is final solution is EH equal to BV. Next, to calculate the Hall voltage, Hall voltage formula is EH equal to VH by D. That is from the above equation, substituting the EH values, EH is VH by D is the EH value, that equal to BV, that equal to VH equal to BV D. Next, here small n is the concentration of electrons in semiconductors. Write the current density equation. The current density equation already you know. Capital J equal to NeV. Common the V value, that equal V equal to J by NeV. The velocity of the electron V is substituting into this equation, VH equation, that equal VH equal to V d J by NeV. Actually current density J equal to I by A. The current carrying a conductor across the area of cross section of the semiconducting material. Here A is the area of cross section of semiconductor. Therefore A equal to dW. The semiconducting slab width into length, that equal to D is the slab thickness into width of the semiconducting material. This A value is substituted in this equation, that equal J equal to I by dW. Here the J value is substituted in this equation, all voltage equation. VH equal to BD by NE into J value means I by dW. DD cancel, that equal to final value is VH equal to BI by NeV. Here all coefficient RH is given by RH equal to 1 by NE. This is the all coefficient equation. The relation between all voltage and all coefficient is VH equal to BI RH by W. RH by W, that equal to RH equal to VHW by BI. Here to find the conductivity in a semiconductor due to the electron is given by the conductivity formula sigma equal to N E mu. Mu is the mobility of electrons. Mu equal to J sigma by Ne, that equal to 1 by sigma. 1 by sigma is the RH value, that equal write the RH sigma. Therefore mu equal to RH sigma. This here all of the equation represent the all voltage, all coefficients, all voltage, all coefficient and conductivity.